Hey Kelly.
And welcome back.
So today's video, making money while still sticking to our values. Let's have a look, shall we? So yeah, what do we mean? Well, a lot of people say to us because of we do our jobbing, obviously, just to make our money away from YouTube money, right? And it helps top up the bank. And we always like to give back.
We were quite fortunate to build a really nice clientele when we first started the odd jobbing. So we feel indebted to our clients to whenever we swing by this way, no matter what our financial situation is, we'll always provide our services because they've been there for us from the beginning, really.
Yeah, always. Absolutely brilliant people. And what we like to do is do the odd jobbing. And, you know, people say to us, oh, you should charge more, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
And it's like, no, because our key core values are about giving back, because we don't have any overheads,
Yes.
apart from the phone.
Yeah, we're old school. We believe in help thy neighbour, and, you know, it's a karma thing, I guess, for us,
Yeah.
because you treat others well and they treat you well, and it's a fair exchange.
Exactly. And not to mention, Tara also does her art, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At a very affordable price, I might add.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that we've sold to, well, that Tara's sold to, and they always say, oh, you should be charging a lot more. And what's your excuse, babe?
Well, you give me a reason to do the art in the first place when you send a commission my way. Also, again, I just like to give back. So
Yeah,
I'm not after being rich. I'm just after us looking after ourselves. That's it.
exactly. So today we're off to a client and to give back whilst earning. And yeah, let's have a proper look, shall we? But before we continue, if you are a fan of the outdoors, seasoned and unseasoned, smash that subscribe button, like, share around. It really does help out the channel.
Yes, we're very grateful.
Anyway. So yeah, as you've just seen, there's 4 hours of work. Obviously it was a complete blitz through, wasn't it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
And Tara's art, she charges 120 for A4s, be that a commission or something that she's already got. And yeah, we love it. Our job, there's no problem for us. And well, that job alone, the tree cutting, the hedges, the weeding, all sorts of bits like that, turns out for checkertrade.com, you're talking about £900, and our grand total was
60.
60.
£15 an hour for 4 hours, it makes £60.
Yep.
But again, we don't need much to live on, so
No.
we're happy with that. The client's absolutely thrilled with that.
Yes.
So
Yep.
it's a good way to make sure that the clientele is always there when you go away on a wander.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is why we say, you know, the importance of having circuits, because YouTube money will run out. It will get less and less, and it's all great having, you know, the 1 or 2 viral videos, and you think, yeah, you're going to get lots of money, and
YouTube, I think, is peaks and troughs.
yes, yeah, and in order to survive in our nomadic lifestyle, we have to have our fingers in many pies, and that's cool because, well, okay, yeah, I'm not health-wise great at the moment, but it keeps you fit, it keeps you healthy-ish, and it's a good sense of achievement, I feel.
In all fairness, though, let's face it, it's not down to our lifestyle or your health. There's
No.
something else going on there.
Yeah, but you know, I think it's that sense of achievement, doing stuff for other people. You know, it's very rewarding.
Yeah, to see the look on people's faces when you've done a real hard job and you've asked for a pittance, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a nice feeling.
it is indeed. Anyway, Callie, we shall leave it there until next time. Happy hopping.